Disassembly steps. 1. Disassemble the capsule sewing components. We clean the hopper. First, disassemble the hopper. Pull out the clips on both sides. Then push the hopper back. You can see the slots. After cleaning the hopper, install it along the slots. Then fasten the clips on both sides. Next, disassemble the mold. First, loosen the screws and remove the protective cover. Next, loosen the side screws and remove the cover. Next, unscrew the large screws, remove the top cover, and flip open the front cover. Next, loosen the 2 screws and remove the capsule sewing plate. Next, loosen the 2 screws and remove the vertical fork. Next, loosen the 2 screws and remove the correction seat. We have already removed the mold. 2. Disassemble the ejector plate. First, loosen these 3 screws, remove the screws and this accessory. Remove the entire plate and you'll see a hole. Use a wrench to loosen this nut and remove the accessory. Three. Disassemble and clean the powder hopper. First, push the pin upward to remove it. Push the cylinder inward. Push the powder hopper outward and hold the collecting bag. Then, press the filling on button, and the machine will discharge the remaining material. Be careful. Avoid touching the machine's moving parts. First, unplug the power cord. Loosen the 4 screws and remove the powder hopper. You can also use two wrenches to remove the screws, then we can clean the accessories and hopper. Four, disassemble the discharge mechanism. First, loosen the nuts on both sides, then we can remove the discharge mechanism and clean it.